Okay, question 26. P squared to the power of 5 means p squared times p squared times p squared times p squared times p squared. And remember, you add the indices when you multiply, so that's p to the power of 10. This is a division, so remember we're going to have to subtract the indices if we're dividing expressions with powers. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. Now, x to the 7 divided by x to the 3 is x to the 4. Y cubed divided by y is y squared. So my solution is 2x to the power 4 y squared. Okay. Number 27. Now, I'm not going to be able to show you how to do this on the screen, but I can tell you the answers that the examiner is looking for, and you can look in the mark scheme for further guidance. So to get your marks, you had to have an answer between 20 and 23 for QL, and you had to have a bearing of anything between 317 and 330. And if you manage that, and you've done your diagram correctly, then you'll get your marks. Okay, question 28. The diagram shows a triangle AOB. Yes, it does. Angle AOB is not an obtuse angle. Okay. Find the greatest value of x. Well, this angle here is got to be anything as long as it's less than 90. If it's less than 90, then the triangle doesn't work. Sorry, if it's greater than 90. So the inequality we need to solve is 2x plus 3x plus 10 has got to be less than 90. Okay, which means that 5x plus 10 has got to be less than 90, which means that 5x has got to be less than 80, which means x has got to be less than 16. So the greatest value of x is 16. Probably should have used less than or equal to there. Okay. Number 29. ABC and PQR are similar right-angle triangles. Right. Here they are. I can see that this is 15, this is 10, which means that to move from there to there, I multiply by 1.5. Work out the length of PR. Well, AC is 9 and I need PR. So I'm going the other way, so I'm going to divide by 1.5. So you need to do 9 divided by 1.5. Because we haven't got a calculator, it's probably simpler to think, what would I multiply by 1.5 to get 9? And that gives you the answer, 6. Okay, triangle EGH. EGH, this one, is congruent, that means identical, to KGF. All right? Now it tells you that HK, all of this length is 10, and HG, which is this bit, is 4. Hey, wait a minute, then this bit is 6. Okay. Now, let's just work out some more lengths here, shall we? So we know these are two triangles which are the same. We know that that's 4, and the long length is, look, that must be 4 there, mustn't it? Okay. From G to F, and then from E to G, that must be 6, right? So this bit's 4, this whole thing's 6, so that must be 2, okay? I suppose if I need to find this length, I could do so using Pythagoras. Let's see what the question's asking me. It says, work out the length of EF. Here we are, EF. Oh, I've already done it. It's 2. And that is the end of question 29. In fact, that's the end of the paper.